Yes, hello everyone, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I have here one of my favorite super robot during the 90s, but honestly this is from I think 70s or 80s, but I watched this during the 90s when I was still in grade school and I was grade 3 that time, and this Daimos here is being aired here in the Philippine television alongside with Voltus 5 and also Compatiler V. So I have here my first ever Daimos, and this is from Shokugan modeling project of Bandai, and this is a model kit of Daimos, of course. So let's check this kit out and let's see what this Shokugan modeling project of Daimos will offer us collectors. So, panggiran, los gets. Poyase, poyase, kami poyase. Daimos Transer Fight! So this is the box of Bandai Shokugan modeling project Daimos, and this is very small. Yep, this is very small, and I wonder how the some of the large runners fit in this box. This is very nice of Bandai, how they pack things up, and yep, I really like Japanese packages. So we got here Daimos posing for his battle, what do you call this, beginning of battle. Yes, after he transformed from the Transer into the mecha mode. Okay, so the side of the box, yes, we can still see Daimos with the same pose on the front part, and then the other side of the box we can see the neutral Daimos pose. Okay, and the back of the box we can see there a Transer mode. Yep, the truck mode. And we got two facial feature of Daimos, the one with neutral poker face and the one with battle cry face there. Okay, and of course the Daimos death blow. Yep, and the Daimos daggers. I forget how what this dagger is called, but let's just call it Daimos dagger and Daimos kick. Yep, very nice. Okay, so if we open the box here, which I already did we got this packs of runners, quite a pack of runners. So we got here red, black, and white runners. So this is packed into 3 parts, and we got another pack here, pack of 3s. We got these black parts, and I can see circles here. Maybe it's for the wheels of Daimos. And we got white parts there, and green parts and white parts, and we got some hatches. So they're individual hatches, and this placed on plastic. So these are consisting of 6 hatches here. So I might not open this yet to avoid confusion. And we got small parts here for the Daimos daggers. So we got 2 of this. And yep, we got pre-painted eyes. I mean, this is very nice. So be careful with this one. You might lose this if you are not careful on opening this. And there we got some blue parts there, and yellow parts, and gray parts there for the facial expression of Daimos. Then we got here this manual and stickers. My god, has a ton of stickers here, which is to be honest, I don't really like stickers, but what can I do? we got here foil stickers. So now I did open this manual here and also the stickers. Okay, this is yep, it's a shiny sticker. Yep, shiny sticker. Okay, and there, let's go with the manual here. So we got 2 sets of manual. I guess this is the instruction on how to build daimos. So there, it's the same with the other Shokugan modeling project, like the Voltus 5 and the Combattler V. There we go, we got this instructions on how to build daimos. Okay, so it's like a blueprint, engineering blueprint. That's how I feel while opening this paper here. And the other manual here, we got the transformation sequence. There we go, you can see the transformation of daimos there. Okay, so it's a bit tedious to do. For me, this is a very tedious thing to do. Yeah. There. Okay. So let's open the other packs. So we got here white packs. Let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. So let's check these red parts here. We got runner A. Yep. And there are so many small pieces there, so be careful when cutting these parts. You might lose it if you're not careful enough. And there we got red runners for the Daimos torso. And we got here runner C. And we got pre-painted part there, black paint. Then another red runner here, runner B. We got this hatch, 2 hatches there. For the black runners, we got here parts for the wheels, mostly wheels, torso, and the hands of daimos. So these black hands. And then we got another black parts here for I think this one for excuse me, this for the wheels again and for the joints. And there we got white parts for armor pieces, runner F. Then we got here runner D, and we got the pre-painted part there. You can see there it's red. And got here runner E for some hatches, and we got this runner K for the green parts, and we got this 6 pieces of hatches. I didn't open it yet, but they are named as S6, S5, S4, S3, S2, and S1. So this is in chronological order. And there we got small runners here for this one, runner I, and runner L, and runner J for the daimos facial expression, mouth expression. And I will not open this yet because it's the face or the eyes. I might lose it if I'm not so careful. So again, thank you very much for watching this unboxing of daimos model kit from Shokugan Modeling Project. And yep, sorry, before I go, I might forget to describe this sticker here. We got red stickers, gray stickers, black stickers, blue stickers, and white and gold stickers there. Okay, so again, thank you very much for watching this unboxing of daimos Shokugan Modeling Project from Bandai. God bless, take care, And goodbye. Masalama. Auf Wiedersehen. Paalam sa inyong lahat. Sayonara.